I am inevitable. And I am invincible. No! Oh yeah.
Why do I feel like I just missed something important?
Great work, team.
Hey, now that that's over with, how about we go get some pizza to celebrate?
Great idea that we totally won't regret later on.
I'll go pick up some decorations and see you guys there. Come on, you better leave before the pizza gets cold. I actually kinda like my pizza cold.
What took you so long?
Jet lag.
What take Invincible so long bring pizza? I want pizza now!
Look out!
Yes! Pizza!
Seriously, Invincible? You couldn't wait until the pizza cooled before serving it? Look at the mess you created. How's that for pizza?
Holy no! How could we have possibly seen this coming?
It's impossible. Maybe if you watched the show, you would have known how this would end. But I didn't want to pay for Prime. You see, after what they did to Planet Cock, I just couldn't support the corporation. Huh? A package? And same-day delivery? Yeah, ass-kicking delivery. No, please, just give me one more chance. You already got 3 movies worth of chances. It's time for you to die.
I gotta do something quick. Oh, not right now, John Pork. Oh man, I want to call him, but I'm not sure if it's worth the risk. Ugh, fine.
You. No matter what you or anyone else tries to do to stop me, I am.
Well, can you come any quicker?
So prepare to...
ごめんなさい、遅れました。その店は大規模なセールを行っていたので、できるだけ多くのものを手に入れたかった。
Hey you! You think you can just interrupt me?
Guys, stop! The show can't afford explosions like that.
Shut your mouth! I am forever invincible! Huh? No!
Wow, thanks, Saitama.
取引は取引だ。人々はついに私をお尊敬するでしょう。おい、私の帽子はどっ